Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the error message unable to install the Rockstar Games SDK. Required files are currently in use by another process right in the GTA 5. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager over here. In the search box, you need to type in GTA. If GTA is not available, type in Rockstar Games. Rockstar Games Launcher is available. Right click and choose the option End Task. From here, make sure you close each and every process running with Rockstar Games right in this task manager. When no process is left, type in Social Club. Again, it is available. Right click and choose the option End Task. After closing, you need to open your web browser and download the tool with the name Revo Uninstall. Scroll down and download its free portable version right into your system. Save the folder right onto your desktop. Once the folder is saved, open the zip folder, and from here you need to drag and drop the files or folders inside the zip folder. Once folder is extracted, open the folder and you will find a file with the name Revo uport. Right click and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now right over here, all the installed files will be shown right into your system. In the search box, type in Rockstar. You will find two apps, Launcher as well as SDK. Select both the apps one by one and click on the option Uninstall. Uncheck both the options and click on the option Continue. Now scan for the remaining registries. Then click on the option Select All and choose the option Delete to completely delete the registries of the Rockstar. Again type in Rockstar. Now you can see no application remains. Now type in Social Club. Again, if Social Club is available, you need to uninstall using the same steps as I have shown right over here. After doing so, close everything, open Run command by right clicking on Start menu, choose the option Run, type percentage, local app data percentage, and then hit the Enter key. Over here also, press the R key to find a folder with the name Rockstar Games, which is available. Right click on the folder and choose the option Delete. After doing these changes, you need to restart your PC, and after restarting, open the official website of Rockstar Games and download the launcher by clicking on the option Download for Windows. Save the launcher right onto your desktop. Once the launcher is downloaded, go ahead and install this particular launcher and then try to play the game, and the issue of unable to install the Rockstar Games SDK will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.